Assemble the jars you would like to sterilize and bring water to the boil in a large pot. Have your barbecue tongs ready and now carefully place the jars in the water. They need to be fully covered, so you see here this one is not properly submerged, so I boiled some extra water in the kettle to add on top. Now please be very careful because jars from the store with a twist lid might break on you. It has never happened to me, but still be very careful. Have a clean dish towel ready and turn them upside down and let them dry overnight. Lids for 5 minutes and you're done.